Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners. Welcome to English Grade 9 video lessons. I'm your instructor Zia Hamid. I hope that you're doing well and enjoying good health. This is our introduction lecture, unit number 1, titled Treaty of Hudaybiyah. So, what do we learn from this lesson? Let's take an overview. So, in this unit, students will learn about the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, a significant agreement in Islamic history promoting peace. They will explore its historical context, negotiations and terms, as well as the role of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions. Lessons on diplomacy, patience, conflict resolution will be drawn, highlighting the treaty's impact on Islam's recognition and promotion of peace, both historically and in contemporary context. So, our theme is peace, and this lesson teaches us about the importance of peace through an Islamic and very important chapter of Islam. So, in lecture number 1, the topic will be nouns and types. Our students' learning outcome is from reading competency. It is demonstrate knowledge and application of parts of speech in oral and written communication in varying degrees of complexity. In this lecture, we will be dealing with noun and its various types. In lecture number 2, titled Singular and Plural Nouns, we will be dealing with singular and plural nouns and also seeing the rules for converting a singular noun into a plural noun. Now, in lecture number 3, this will be about dictionary skills, and the SLO says that we need to consult general and specialized reference materials. We will be seeing the use of dictionaries thoroughly in this lecture. Now, in lecture 4, this will be for understanding biases and opinions. We will use the techniques of the strategies of pre-reading and while reading in order to understand and explore layers of meaning within text, including biases and opinions. In lecture number 5, the title is Inference and Deduction. We will be using the strategies of inference and deduction to recognize the hidden meaning, the implicit meaning. We will be looking for supporting details, and our prior knowledge and contextual cues will also help us in understanding the hidden meaning. In lecture number 6, we have the topic of discussion. We will engage in extended discussions by using any topic, or specifically this one, in your book, Historical Significance of the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. So, through this SLO, you will learn about having a very good and effective discussion with your fellows, with your peers. Lecture number 7 is titled Word Family. So, in this one, you have to identify and correctly use patterns of word changes that indicate different meanings or parts of speech. For example, this word analyze also becomes analysis, analytical, advocate will be advocacy or advocacy. So, this is how you learn about the word family. Lecture number 8 will be about editing and proofreading skills. Again, this is very important. In this one, we will apply editing and proofreading skills to a wide range of different texts and contexts. And this will be our SLO for the writing competency. Also, the last but not the least one is lecture number 9, in which we will see process approach in writing. Now, process approach is having so many different steps. So, you follow the steps of the process approach to plan for writing a paragraph. Brainstorming, structuring, mind mapping, using a variety of graphic organizers, free writing and note taking. All these things will be covered in the lecture. And now at the end, I would like to say that we will enjoy a good time in this video lecture series. Thank you so much. Until the very first lecture from unit number 1, Allah Hafiz.